Welcome to Modular Hippo and episode 29 of the Kiribati sailboat build. The channel where I'm trying to build a sailboat in my backyard. So this is a bit of a build diary. In this episode I am picking up some material for another bulkhead, and I am also picking up the second battery box as well as looking at some other design elements. So let's take a look. So this is the design of the aft footplate with all the support lines. So we have a decking which is 146 times 22, and we have these little T-joints as well. So I had to take that into account when I designed this. So if we remove the support lines, we can see the actual piece that I'm going to laser cut. And it has pre-made holes for all these little T-joints. So I should be able to slide in the plastic decking parts fairly straight as and when I get to that point. So this plate is going to sit within this tubing and be something that the decking will rest on. I will also strengthen it with two L profiles sitting underneath to take the actual weight. Good morning, another pickup of laser cut material, this time to bulkheads. So we're getting closer and closer to the end of the bulkheads. After these two, there's just another 3 left, and then we can tick that off. After that, I am going to pick up the second battery box and also have a look at the window ledge of the last window that's been welded. So let's take a look. On another note, this week has been a bit slow because the shutter on the unit that I'm working from broke down. So I spent most of the week sourcing a door and fitting a door on the side of the unit so I can get it in and out, because that shutter is not repairable. It's too far gone. So this is the shutter door that completely collapsed on me, and it's so rotten I can't fix it. It's not worth my time. So instead I have put a door into the side of the unit, which I can use. It's not as practical, but it will have to do. Luckily, a friend of mine was replacing his front door on his house literally 3 days before I asked him. So he said, come and take this old door away, you're doing me a favor. So that worked out great. We now have both battery boxes in place, so I can carry on with the inside and all the electrics. And then maybe, hopefully, we can finalize these soon. Great timing. The side windows for the hard dodger, so the 45-degree angled windows, have arrived. So let's unpack and see what's inside. Just like the other window, this was securely packed as well, which is always great to see. I'll stick the company's name who's helped me with these windows. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, so I don't have any discounts or anything, but it's always good to have connections to things like this because they're not always that easy to find, so I'll stick it in the description. I can't test the actual fit to the frames because the frames aren't with me at the moment, but it looks good. I'm gonna leave the scratch tape on until it's ready to be mounted. And to finish off with a question. So this middle window of the hard dodger will be able to open up with the hinges on the top. Any recommendations or any ideas around what hinges to use? Can I use one in each corner? Do I need 3 of them? Maybe 1 in the middle and 2 on each side? Or should I have a continuous one? Any ideas or experience around that? Highly appreciated. And we can then look at finalizing that as well. As always, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, stick them in the comment section. It might be ideas, it might be concerns or anything else. I'll respond within 24 hours. If you're interested in the actual motor build for the boat, there's a separate playlist for that, and there's also a separate playlist for all the components. So until next time, I'll see you then. Enjoy your week. Take care.